Okay, everyone, never ever under zero circumstances mess with the light switch at somebody else's house. And especially in a public building.
Professor Elton. And we got the official word from Nicole.
So, when you are in a public building or at somebody else's house, never ever go up to the light switch and do this. That is a big no-no. You will get suspended and expelled from school. You will get kicked out of the party people are hosting. And if it's during New Year's, you will get no chance of staying up until midnight. Only mess with this in your own house, not at somebody else's house, and especially not in a public building.
Well, I mean, yeah. Melissa was complaining about this, having to go back in. She's probably not in now because they're in the midst of those stupid talks.
You do not mess with this if it's not in your own house.
But she's just like,
Never, ever, ever, ever.
3 hours a day traveling. Maybe
Outside of your own house. Bye.